Have you ever noticed how some buyers purchase once and then disappear? No second purchase, no return visit, no long-term relationship. Just one sale and then they're gone. The question isn't, why did they buy? The question is, why didn't they come back? Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've stayed consistently in the top 300 sellers on TPT for over 17 years. And one thing I know is this: the first sale is only the beginning. Most TPT sellers spend a lot of time thinking about visibility, getting found, getting clicks, getting sales, and those things matter. But eventually, another question starts becoming more important. What happens after the sale? Because many stores are built around individual products. A teacher finds something, buys it, uses it, and never needs anything else. That creates one-time buyers. But strong stores often create a reason to return, a reason to explore, a reason to buy again. The buyer solves one problem and immediately sees another helpful resource, another next step, another solution. Over time, those small connections create something powerful: repeat buyers. And repeat buyers often become one of the strongest drivers of long-term growth. Honestly, this was a major shift for me because early in my business, I mostly focused on creating products. And creating more products worked for a while, but eventually I noticed certain products kept bringing buyers back, while others generated a sale and then nothing. That observation completely changed how I thought about growth. A lot of TPT sellers focus on getting more buyers, but sometimes the bigger opportunity is helping existing buyers come back. If buyers keep purchasing and disappearing, there may be a structural issue inside the store that is limiting long-term growth. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the real constraint inside your store so you can make clearer growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why some TPT stores naturally create repeat buyers, while others struggle to generate them at all. I will see you in the next video.